Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lecture of community health and social work. In this paper, we have discussed on the part nutrition, and in nutrition we had already discussed on what is nutrition, what is nutrient, and what are the types of nutrients, and also discussed on balanced diet, nutritional assessment. And in this class, now in this video lecture, we will discuss on the most important part, what is major nutritional problem, because through know about nutritional problem we can prevent from different nutritional diseases, or we can prevent from different nutritional problems, and we can take proper balanced diet or proper nutrients in our food. We will face different types of health issues or nutritional problem due to lack of different nutrition. We have to take proper nutrients in our daily basis food. When we are not getting proper nutrients, we are facing nutritional problems or different diseases due to lack of nutrition. In this class, we will briefly discuss on different types of problems which arises due to lack of nutrition. So let's see. First, we will discuss on nutritional problem. A nutritional deficiency occurs when the body doesn't absorb or get from food the necessary amount of a nutrient. Deficiencies can lead to a variety of health problems. These can include digestion problems, skin disorder, stunted or defective bone growth, and even dementia. Nutritional deficiency occurs in our health due to deficiency of nutrition, and deficiency disorder arises due to lack of nutrition, and it results different types of health problems or diseases, like it is a barrier for growth and development of the body, and also results different types of problems like digestion problems, skin disorder, different types of disorder. That is known as nutrition problem. When we are not taking sufficient or required nutrients which is necessary for our health, then we will face the nutritional problems. Then who is at risk? It means those who are facing risk, or those life is in risk due to nutritional problem. Means due to lack of nutrition, who are facing problems, or who has health issues, or who has risk in their living a life. First is pregnant women. It means at the time of pregnancy there is a need of proper nutrition. When a pregnant woman is not taking proper nutrients in her food, then she is facing different types of problems at the time of giving birth to child, and at the time of maternal, and also at the time of lactating. So that at the time of pregnancy there is need of sufficient nutrition, and also the woman has to take more food rather than other time. Next is lactating woman. At the time of lactating period, the woman has to take also proper nutrients, because the food of the child depends upon the food of the mother. So that at that time the woman has to take sufficient nutrients and also take more food, through which she can provide proper nutrients to her child. And next is infants. Infancy period is also a important period. At that period, the infant has time for growth and development of the health and of the body. So that at the time of infancy, there is important part is taking nutrient, and the infant get proper nutrients from the breastfeeding or from the mother's milk. So that from 0 to 6 months baby, breastfeeding is necessary for them, because from this food they can get proper nutrients. Next is preschool children. When the children are going to school, before that period, that is preschool children, and at that period the children has time for growth and development of their body and of their health. And at that period, there is necessity of proper nutrients, because this is the major period and vital period for growth and development. If in this period there is a lack of nutrition, then the child can't get proper growth and development. So that they have to take proper nutrients in their daily basis food. And this is the duty of parents to provide proper nutrients to the preschool children. And next is adolescent girls. Adolescent girls has necessity of nutrition, because in some family there is gender discrimination or gender inequality. Due to gender inequality and discrimination, the girls can't take proper nutritious food, so that the girl children are facing problems due to lack of nutrition. And for the girl child, there is necessity of proper nutrients in their daily basis food. And the adolescent girls have to take proper nutrient, because in adolescent period they have lack of iron, lack of folic acid, so that they have to take proper nutrients in their food. Because adolescent period is the period when the girl child can grow and develop their health system. Next is elderly. At the elderly period, the persons have different problems like bone are damaged and different health issues. So that at the time of elder period or at the time of old age, they need proper nutrients for maintain a healthy life. And next is socially deprived, means under socially deprived there is SC and ST communities. Mainly SC and ST community peoples are from socially and economically backward communities, so that they can't take proper nutrients or they can't maintain proper nutritious food, and they can't afford all the nutrients those which are required for them. So that SC and ST community people are not maintaining a healthy life due to poor condition of income. SC and ST community people, SC and ST community people's life has in risk due to nutritional problem because of socially and economically poor condition. Next we will discuss on causes of nutritional problem. First is low socio-economic status. Due to low socio-economic condition of people, they are not afford proper nutrient food, because we can get all the nutrients from variety of food. We have to take different types of food for getting proper nutrients or for getting all the nutrients which are required for maintaining a healthy life. And due to low socio-economic condition, all the people can't get proper nutrients or proper food from which we can get all the nutrients. Next is illiteracy. Illiteracy is also a reason of nutritional problem. Due to illiteracy, the people can't get proper job or can't get proper income profile or income status. So that illiteracy is also a reason of nutritional problem. And due to illiteracy, the people can't aware about what is nutrition and why nutrition is important for our health. They can't aware about that. So that illiteracy is also a major reason of nutritional problem. Next one is lack of awareness regarding nutrients and their requirement. Due to illiteracy and low socio-economic status, some people are not aware about different types of nutrients and their requirements for our health. It's also a reason of nutritional problem. Next is overpopulation. Some other problems which are associated with overpopulation. Due to overpopulation, we can't maintain a better life because due to overpopulation in a family there is more members, and so that they can't afford proper nutrients, and also they can't take proper care of every person. For that reason, overpopulation is also a major and important reason of nutritional problem. Next is decreased food production. In our country, there is overpopulated, but after overpopulation, there is food production is limited, and so that decrease in food production is also a vital reason of nutritional problem. Due to lack of food production, all can't get proper food or proper nutrition which are necessary for our health. Next is lack of healthcare facilities. Due to lack of healthcare facilities, some people can't get proper care at the emergency time, and some people are not aware about different nutritional problems, so that due to lack of healthcare systems or healthcare services, we can't maintain a healthy life. Next is large families. In our society, people are not aware about different family planning methods, about different effects of large family. In large family, the parents or the head of the family can take care of all the members of the family, because in different age or for different sex, different gender, there is different nutrients required for them, and the head of the family or the parents can take proper care of all the members of the family, because in a family there is old age persons, there is child, there is male and female members. So we have to take care of them in different way, and different nutrients and different quantity need for them. In large family, it is impossible for maintain proper care or for providing proper nutrients for all. So large family is also a reason of nutritional problem. Next is cultural influences. In some cultural influence, means in some culture, there is some persons are not allowed to take different types of food. For example, some are not taking meat, fish, egg, and so that they can't get all the nutrients from some food. They have to take all the food to get all the nutrients, and when they are not getting some foods, they have to take supplement nutrients against that type of food. And due to cultural influences also nutritional problem arises. Infections. Due to different types of infections, means different types of health issues, nutritional problem arises. Overnourishment. When a person is overnourished, means when a person is taking over food or not maintaining balanced diet, then nutritional problem occurs at that period. Next is superstitious beliefs or misconception. Due to some superstitious belief or due to some misconception, nutritional problem arises in some times, because in some religion, in some culture, there is some foods are not allowed to take, so that we can't get all the nutrients from specific food. We have to take variety types of food for getting all the nutrients, and due to some superstitious beliefs, we can't get all the nutrients from our specific food. Next is limited availability of food products. Due to small amount of food production and there is overpopulation, there is limited availability of some food products, through which the value of different types of food products is very high price, so that all can't afford different types of food from which we can get all the nutrients. Next is dietary practices. We have to maintain balanced diet, and through good practice of good diet, we can maintain healthy life, and which is very important for maintain a healthy life, because from balanced diet we can get all the nutrients. Through wrong dietary practice, we can face different types of health issues or different types of nutritional problems. So dietary practice is also a important reason of nutritional problem. Next is types of nutritional problem. In nutritional problem, there is two types of nutritional problem. First one is undernutrition or malnutrition. Second one is overnutrition. Undernutrition means when there is improper nutrition, means when we are taking food but we are not taking proper nutritious food. There is lack of nutrition in our food, that is known as undernutrition. There is lack of nutrients. And overnutrition means when a person is taking nutrition but in excessively, and some specific nutrients we are taking in excessive quantity, that is known as overnutrition. First we will discuss an undernutrition. It is defined as a pathological state resulting from an absolute or relative deficiency of one or more essential nutrients. It includes protein energy malnutrition, low birth weight, xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, nutritional anemia, lactism, endemic goiter and endemic fluorosis. This is the diseases or problems which are related with undernutrition. Means when we have deficiency of some essential nutrients, means when we are taking care of our health, then we have need of some essential nutrients for maintain our health. And when there is deficiency of these essential nutrients, that is known as undernutrition. And these are the issues or these are the problems which are related with undernutrition. In this class, I have discussed on what is nutritional problem and two types of nutritional problem, and I have discussed on the undernutrition problems. And in next class, we will discuss on some more major nutritional problems which is occurring due to nutritional issue or due to lack of nutrition. Keep watching. Thank you. Have a great day.